In this video, you'll learn how to get a refund on eBay. This process involves locating your purchase, submitting a refund request, and tracking the status of that request until it is resolved. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are on the home page, navigate to the top right corner of the page where you will see the option labeled My eBay. Click on this option to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Purchase History to access a comprehensive list of all your recent purchases. After the Purchase History page loads, scroll through the list to find the specific item for which you are seeking a refund. Once you locate the item, look for the option labeled More Actions located next to it. Click on this option to display additional actions. Depending on the eligibility of the item, you will see either return this item or request a refund. Select the appropriate option to proceed with the refund process. Next, you will be prompted to choose the reason for your refund request. Carefully select the reason that best describes your situation. After selecting the reason, you may be required to provide additional details or upload photos related to the issue. Once you have completed this step, submit the refund request through eBay's system. It is essential to review any specific instructions provided by the seller and to follow them accurately, as this increases the likelihood of your request being approved. After submitting your request, keep an eye on the status of your refund in your eBay account. If the seller requires you to return the item, ensure that you ship it back using the recommended method. Be sure to upload any tracking information so that the seller can confirm receipt of the returned item. Once the refund has been processed, you will receive a confirmation notification. If you notice any delays in the process, do not hesitate to follow up with eBay for clarification. Completing all the steps as outlined ensures that your refund request is handled smoothly and efficiently. Make sure to check your email and eBay notifications regularly for updates regarding your refund status.